Hey, okay, so I wanted to hop on and talk to you guys about Saint's shade of the month for June, and it's called Sunshine State. It is this color right here. I love this color, and based on the number of customers I had purchasing this color yesterday, I can tell you it is a fan favorite. They had this color, I think it was like a couple of years ago that they released it, and they had it out for several months as kind of like a limited edition thing, and then they've brought it back just for the month of June or until it sells out, and my guess is there's a decent chance this is gonna sell out before the end of the month. So you are gonna wanna jump on this right away. So Sunshine State is sort of like an iridescent raspberry tone, and then it has little flecks of gold in it. I don't know if you can tell if the light's kind of picking it up, but it has little flecks of gold in it that just make it stand out so much. So I've got it on both my cheeks and on my lips, and it's not a very bold color because, like I said, it's more of an iridescent, has more of that glossy texture to it, but because it has more of the deeper tones, more of that raspberry color to it, it still definitely gives you some added pop of color, just in more of like a subtle and muted way, but because it has some of those gold flecks in it, it still has sort of like a little something to it that sets it apart from a lot of the other lip and cheek colors. So you can also see it swatched here on my hand, and you can see how much the light kind of picks up on some of those gold flecks in it. So I think this is like a perfect shade for summer because, like I said, it adds a really pretty color, but without it being overpowering. So because it has more of a glossy texture, it is perfect for your lips. And I know not everybody is going to love having like a glossier texture on their cheeks, but I will say that I love having something a little bit more dewy on my cheeks during the summer especially, just because it gives off more of like a fresh and youthful glow, which I think is actually perfect for the summertime. Now, another great thing about a color like Sunshine State is that you can actually use it as a topper shade. So if you find that the color by itself is a little too light for you, but you really like sort of that iridescent and like the gold flecks that it adds, you can actually place this on top of them to, again, give you a little bit more illumination and to give you some of that gold light reflecting color. So some colors I think would be really pretty paired with this would be Sangria or Saffron or Madrid. All of them would be really pretty as like a base shade, and then you could just place Sunshine State on top of them to give a little bit more of that iridescent dewy glow and to get the benefits that come from having those flecks of gold. Okay, so to show you what I mean, I've got some swatches here. So this one right here, this is Saffron, and then this right here is Saffron with Sunshine State on top of it. And then this one right here, this one's Madrid, and this one is Madrid with Sunshine State on top. And you can just see how pretty those colors are when they've got Sunshine State on them as a topper shade. So again, this shade is only available for the month of June or until it sells out, and I would not be surprised if this is a shade that sells out just because, again, I know this is a fan favorite among Saint customers. It is such a pretty color and I cannot recommend it enough. So be sure to grab it while you can, because if you wait too long, I guarantee you're gonna end up regretting it. So grab this color, I promise you it is a good one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna link Sunshine State, and then I'll also link some of the other lip and cheek colors I mentioned. So that way if you wanna grab them as well, and you can use them as a base shade and then do Sunshine State as your topper shade, and that way you've got some variety of colors to use this summer. And then as always, if you're interested in getting color matched to any of the other makeup that I wear, I will go ahead and attach my color match form. Just send me a photo and I can let you know what your perfect shades are and what you need to get started. And if you want some more information about what I do as an artist, if you're kind of interested in the business side of Saint, I will go ahead and link some info here, take a look at it, and then reach out and let me know if you have any questions.